Hey guys, how to use relume with webflow. So first of all, go to the relume extension page. You're gonna type right here relume, right? And then basically extension, and then add it to your Chrome, and then open the webflow project in the Chrome browser. Click on the relume extension icon at the toolbar to open the library. Use the relume library to find pre-designed components and templates. And then select the components that you want to add to your project. Copy the selected components from the relume library. Return your webflow designer and use the embed element or paste the copied code into your project, and then adjust and style the components in webflow to fit your design needs. Use webflow's designer tools to make further modifications. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just review your changes to ensure everything looks and functions are as expected. Publish your site to make the components live. Relume helps streamline the design process by providing ready-to-use components and templates that can be easily integrated into your webflow projects. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next